everybody, welcome to another episode of Lumos Knox Designs. Today I am actually going to be making this wallet. First step we did was that we cut two from the wallet body. This is going to be the front of the wallet. The next step we're going to do is the wallet body interfacing, and I'm going to be cutting around 4 of these, I think, or 2, I'm not sure. I'm just gonna have to look back at the instructions, but I'll be back in the next shot where these have interfacing attached. The next step is that I have placed the interfacing on this, as you can tell. Now, what I'm trying to do is so that there is not too much thickness when I set the wallet, is that I have actually given this a 1/2-inch seam allowance, so that way it's not, it doesn't have any rounder edges when I sew the finished product. So I'm gonna actually iron this part, and then I'll be right back with the next step. Now we have 4 wallet pieces cut out. So this pattern is gonna go on the outside. Well, it faces this inside, and this is gonna be going on the lining on the inside. So that way we have a pretty print when you open it and when you look at it from the outside. So I believe the next step is where we're gonna start making pockets, and then I guess we're gonna start sewing it together. But as you can see, the inside also needs to be stabilized, so I also just ironed some interfacing on with that. These next 2 pieces here, I know that they are super long for the wallet, but these are actually going to be the card pockets. And I was watching a YouTube video somewhere along the way where you could turn these into something shorter. So it's something I'm gonna try, but if you wanna see more comprehensive tutorials on how to do this, there are plenty of other YouTube videos that will give comprehensive instructions on how to do it. But in the next shot, hopefully these will be the pockets that I want. You remember the long pieces that I had? Well, these are now the pockets. As you can tell, I just, now this is like a cozy little place where you can put your ID and your other cards and all that fun shiz. And it fits just perfectly. So this is going to be a slot for at least 6 cards. And then we're going to move on to the next step. 4 pieces that we're going to sew together. But you know what? I think we're going to make it 3 because I'm going to get rid of this little guy right here. It's it was kind of a pain in the ass, even though it would have looked really neat on the wallet. But you know what? It's actually my design, so I do what I want. So now we're going to sew these 3 pieces together and just make one wallet. Well, it looks like our wallet is starting to take shape. So now all I gotta do is pop this inside part, which will be the billfold. I decided to do a different step because the wallet pattern said one thing and this was doing another. So this is going to be the inside of my wallet. And I'm going to pop this inside this, and we're going to start putting it together. So here it is. It's a finished wallet. It opens. You have room for your money in here. And you have room for your cards in here. I know it's not the most perfect, but it is a prototype, which I will be giving to my wife. I will be improving upon this design as time goes on, and then what I shall be doing is, once I perfect the design, I will be selling this in my Etsy store come March, and I will keep you all posted for that. Well, that's it for another episode of Lumos Knox Designs. I have a new video every Friday on my YouTube channel. So if you would like to check that out, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified of any new videos that I put up, please ring the bell, because you know what? I like it when you ring my bell. Also, you can find me on Instagram, Patreon, Facebook, and here on YouTube, all at Lumos Knox Designs. And I also have a TikTok channel as well. So if you want to check those out. It's all at one. It's all at one. It's Lumos Knox Designs. So anyway, I know some of you were, suffering with the winter weather. So, and I know that the COVID numbers are going up. So please be sure to wash your hands, practice social distancing, wear a mask, and start caring about each other. Until then, I will see you guys next Friday.